3 to 6 month baby development, a beautiful stage of growth. Your baby is no longer that tiny newborn who only sleeps and cries. Around the 3rd month, everything starts to change. Your baby begins to explore the world like a little curious explorer. And this stage, it's one of the most exciting and emotional journeys for both you and your baby. By the time your baby reaches 4 months, you'll notice incredible progress. They can lift their head while lying on their tummy and start looking around with curiosity. Colors appear brighter and they can see farther than before. You'll often hear sweet little sounds like ah and ooh, their first attempts to communicate with you. Now your baby doesn't just watch. They begin reaching for objects, trying to grab toys. This is a major developmental milestone. At the same time, newborn reflexes slowly disappear and are replaced with more intentional movements. At 5 months, things get even more exciting. Your baby may start rolling over, which means it's time to be extra careful. Never leave them unattended on high surfaces. Laughter becomes louder and more frequent. Not just smiles anymore, real giggles. And the best part? The more you interact, the more your baby responds with joy. Sleep also improves during this stage. Some babies can sleep for 6 to 8 hours at night. Their hand coordination gets better too. They can transfer objects from one hand to the other. They even discover their feet grabbing them and bringing them to their mouth. Because at this stage, babies explore the world through touch and taste. By 6 months, your baby becomes more independent. They can sit with support, reach for toys with intention, and respond to sounds like rattles by turning their head. But one of the biggest changes is emotional. Your baby may cry when you leave the room, and that's actually a good sign. It means they recognize you and feel attached to you. At this stage, babies put almost everything into their mouths. This is completely normal and part of their learning process. So how can you support your baby during this time? Talk to them constantly. During diaper changes, bath time, feeding every moment matters. Your voice is their safe place. Play simple games like peekaboo. This teaches your baby that even when you disappear, you always come back, building trust and emotional security. Use toys that make sounds, play music, and show them colorful books and images. Let them look at themselves in the mirror and repeat their name often. And most importantly, touch them. Your baby understands love through connection, through closeness. Of course, safety is just as important. Never leave your baby alone on high places. Keep small objects out of reach. Always use a proper car seat. And avoid baby walkers. They can delay development and cause accidents. For nutrition, breast milk or formula should remain the main source during the first year. And remember, never give honey before the age of 1. Finally, always keep this in mind. Every baby develops at their own pace. This is not a race. The love, attention, and care you give today will shape their entire future. So enjoy these moments because they grow faster than you think.